Good morning. It's me, Lee, with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and today um, is what, Tuesday? We are third page double layout, and it is with Anna Griffin's Wildflower Meadows mini album. It came in this box. It's an 8x8. I haven't looked at these yet. I should look at these and maybe make a layout. This one is the easiest, simple, quickest. Wow, so easy. So easy. It's like making a card. Let's move this out of the way. And Thursday I started this, and so go back to Thursday and see how I organized and why I organized, and then Friday and Monday and now today. So here's the first one that we did, and there is the back page. Okay, then here is the second one we did. Now here's the third one. It is so easy. Oh my goodness. My back started hurting sitting in the craft room all day, so you can tell I made it easy. But I didn't have to use any supplies except for what came in the box. So look at that. Very easy. And that's what the paper looks like on the back. So we're going to put that right there. We're going to go over it. You need one of the 5x7, 4x6 is the white measurements. 4x6 picture, but it's a 5x7 frame. You need one of these, and we cut it in half. Half here, half there. You need one green journaling. You need 4 of these. 2 for that, 2 for this. And 4 of these. And 2 for that, 2 for this. And so I have a butterfly here. I don't know if we're going to add a butterfly. So the paper is facing up, and we're going to take my tape, which I do not see. Let me get another one out of the box. Don't know where I put it. I've been cleaning in between each video and doing other stuff. So this is not permanent tape. This is temporary. I get it from Walmart. It's the purple one. I'm out of the blue. I need some more. So let's see where I measured it. I did 1 inch over, 1 inch over, and this is 3 inches over here. And I centered it. So let me go 1 inch over. This is an inch, so I'm measuring, and I'm just going to go and eyeball it. You know what? I'm going to do it to the opposite side. See how it doesn't stick down? Thank goodness. Let's do the opposite side. That way the gap in the middle is the same. So go 1 inch over, and I'm just eyeballing it, and I put it down. Okay, this is 4 inches. This we need an inch, and then we need 3 inches here. So I am just going to make a tick mark. Let's see, I'm just barely putting it under, and I'm going to make a tick mark. Okay, and then I'm going to go back on this side, barely putting it under, but you see I gave you about a 1/2 inch or more to play with, and I'm going to make another tick mark. Now I'm going to go off screen for a second, or you might see me, and I'm going to trim them. So one is 1 inch and one is 3 inches. And I'm going to just cut it a little bit bigger because I can stick it underneath that frame. In fact, I don't even need to cut the second one because I could just stick it under the frame. So yeah, so I didn't even cut the second one because I'm going to just stick it under the frame. So what I did was I went up 1, 2, 3, 4 inches. I went up halfway and I centered in between that line. So let's make sure the flowers are facing up if there's a way. I think there is. I'm going to add just a little bit of glue, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to just add it to that. And if it's hanging over, I hope it does. Just a hair, take your scissors and just trim it. That way it's straight. Okay, now let's take this one and let's see if there's a direction of the flowers. I think there might be. And let's just add a little glue, and now we're going to go and line this up, and 1, 2, 3. Did I not do it right? Okay, let's get underneath there. I think I want it lined up with this one, so let's line that up and line this one up, and it goes right there. I'm going to have to move this one. I'm glad I only used a tiny bit of glue. So let me just lift this. It's a sticker, but I'm using glue, hot glue. So see, it's lined up together. This one, I don't know what I was thinking. Ooh, I ripped it. Guess what? That's not a problem. A flower or a butterfly will go right there. So let's put some more glue on here. More glue. Let's figure out why it's not lining up. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Got it this time. Let's move it out a little. Okay. So now all we have to do is add flowers and stuff. So this one had it here. So I'm going to add some here. Let's not let it stick over the page. Let's pull it in some. That right here. Let's do this side. We could have done this one and this one, or this one and this one, but I'm going to do this side. Just a little bit of glue, and let's lift it and put it right here. Okay, let's add a little bit of glue, put it right here. Okay, now the journaling tag, we could put right here to hide that, or we go to our embellishments and we pick something to hide it. I mean, let's see. We could put that there, and you'll never know. A butterfly and a butterfly, or let's do a bee. Let's put a bee right there. That one did not have a mistake, but let's just put the bee to hide where I ripped that paper on accident, and you would never know. Let's move this back out of the way. And then we put our journaling card on wherever we would like to put it. Right here, probably, because you read left to right. So I always think you would look at it and then read. You could put it up here. So where would you think to put it? I don't know what the picture's going to look like. I haven't got the picture yet. So I'm going to use this tape runner, and it is removable, not permanent. So that's why I like that. We're going to put this right about there. So there is our double page layout, our third one in my series. And so all the links are down below, and all we have to do is add this to the pages like that, and we are done. So anyway, there you go, guys. I hope you like that, and yeah, even mistakes people will never know. Have a blessed day, everybody.